Hello, my name's Michael Clifford and I'm the CEO of Zenith Minerals Limited. Zenith is an exploration company based in Western Australia. We currently have active exploration projects in Western Australia and Queensland, focused on both precious metals, copper and zinc. This is a very short presentation that will give you a flavour of Zenith. The key take-homes at the moment, we're very active with approximately 12 drill rigs active over the period of September to December 2021. This will mean that we're drilling around about 55,000 metres of drilling during this period in conjunction with our partners. We have assays or samples in the lab of 45,000 metres worth of drilling with those assays awaited. So lots of news flow coming for Zenith Minerals over the next months. Key projects that we're working on with our partner Rumble Resources of the Earaheedy joint venture. Earaheedy is 25% owned by Zenith Minerals, and we're lucky enough to have a free carry to the end of a bankable feasibility study. This looks to be a major zinc discovery. Drilling and metallurgy are ongoing. It's very well funded by our joint venture partner who raised recently $40 million. And they are nearly completed or have nearly completed a 40,000 metre drill program and have had 5 rigs running up on that project. There's a fair backlog of assays with a wait of up to 11 weeks at the moment because of the activity going on in the Western Australian mining sector. But we expect that we'll start seeing a constant flow of news coming from that project over the next few months. Devlin Creek in Queensland is 100% owned by Zenith Minerals. We currently have 2 drill rigs on site. This is a district scale VMS deposit with some outstanding historic and new results. Some recent diamond drilling that Zenith completed on the main resource area included 34 metres at 3.5% copper plus zinc. And within that, there's some very high grades of including 10 metres at 6% copper and zinc, and another hole with 12.3 metres at 6.7% zinc. So those sort of grades really attest to the prospectivity of that area. We're focused not only on the existing resource, but on new prospects, which we've been drill testing. We have announced some new discoveries at the Snook prospect, some 30 k's north of the existing resource. And rigs will be going back to both Snook and the nearby Wilson's target to follow up on those exciting prospects. You can see in the top right, we're also carrying out some metallurgical test work. Early results look very promising, but more work to be completed before we're in a position to announce anything to market. But you can see some very brightly coloured, very good-looking copper that's in the float cell there in the top right. So that's certainly something that's very encouraging. Our precious metals portfolio consists of 3 projects, split rocks in Western Australia. This project's located about halfway between Perth and the mining centre of Kalgoorlie. 100% owned. We've got a large land package of around 700 square kilometres that sits within a very well endowed 10 million ounce type district. We've identified some really exciting extensive mineralised structures that we've been testing over the last year or so. We've just completed now another 150 hole program and are waiting for those assays. So we're looking at a follow-up program already with RC and diamond drilling planned as soon as we can secure drill rigs for that project. Red Mountain in Queensland, we've been drilling on a breccia pipe system. The western flank of that has some very high grades, including 13 metres at 8 grams per tonne. That was the maiden hole into this discovery. Those results are from surface. So you can see why we're very, very keen to keep the rigs turning at this project. We're planning on some follow-up drilling here, both to test that western high-grade flank and also a breccia target in the core of that breccia pipe. So further drilling to be done at that project. And then lastly, but not leastly, Corowa. This is a project that we're earning into. And an initial 22.5% is available, but we think that going forward, if we like this project, we have the ability to potentially secure a larger stake. This is in New South Wales, but it's the same geology as the rocks that host the very famous Fosterville gold deposit, the Lachlan origin. Historic drilling, 35 metres at 2.3, 15 at 4. And really, this project hasn't had any serious exploration on it for some decades. So we're very keen to, with our partner Oxley there, to get a drill rig out to site and confirm the veracity of those historic results and continue to push hard with that project to unlock its potential. So 5 projects. We've certainly, if you'd like to have a bit of a chat, then I encourage you to sign up with the one-to-one program, and I'd be more than happy to take you through the details of all or any of our projects. I look forward to talking to you very soon. Thank you.